Stefano.
Okay, good morning again. I am Daniel Bada. I am the Internal Control Officer and one of the administrative officer of St. Benil Center for Global Competence, Cebu City. With me is Ms. Joanne Pasakin. She is the Department Coordinator of the Business and Management Department. So, for sure, naka-mindset na kayo, di ba? Na what are the courses that you're going to take up in your college? Meron bang meron pa bang undecided na hindi wala pang napiling course? Yeah. Basically, this is a career talk. How many schools na ba yung pumunta sa inyo? So many. So parang ang setup, parang pag kami pumuntang tao sa harapan ninyo, ang iniisip niyo parang